Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my vlog. My name is, I'm Janessa Ipan. I am from Philippines and this is my holiday getaway. So I am here now in Vista del Paraiso of Causuagan, Balingwan, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. So if you have a chance to visit Philippines, you must include this place because it's very cool and very quiet, so and very fresh air. So as you can see guys, look at here, this is the view. It's just so simple, but you can relax here and you can have a fresh off mind. So and the view is the view there that you can see is the Camiguin Island, the island born of fire. Focus to the. So it's a very nature. If you're what's it? And there are also dragon fruit. So hope guys you will subscribe my channel to continue me to do more vlogs of my travel. So for now, that's it for today, and thank you for watching and please subscribe.